Please name me.
My name is Mazi Godwin. Jude Okoro.
And
my colleague here is CP Okoro.
Who do you represent in this matter?
The defendant, His Royal Majesty Eze Godwin Kanu Idei.
Okay. Can you give us a summary of what transpired in the court today?
We're supposed to go on for trial, but we have filed a motion for judicial review to challenge the process of bringing the court to start trial. So, consequent upon that, the court saw the documents and adjourned the magazine as that application we have made before the High Court asked us to stay for proceeding. So this trial will not go on until we finish with the High Court proceedings.
Who went to the High Court? Is it
The defendant, His Majesty Godwin Kanu Idei.
What is this not the High Court?
To strike out to quash the charge that is incompetent.
To mount the throne?
To just stand trial that they have no case against him. Yes. That's all that transpired today. And the court has adjourned that. And we should report back the outcome of the High Court proceeding.
What is the sense of this judicial review?
The intent of the judicial review is to review, look at the charge, and know whether he is it's proper for him to stand trial in the allegations levied against him or not. So, and have filed their defense in the High Court, which will take a date for hearing. So we'll communicate that date.
So, can you give us a prelude to the charges levied against this magistrate court?
The prelude to it is that after his crowning on the 20th of October 2023, in line with the custom and tradition of Arochukwu Kingdom, the state, through the Solicitor General of the state, is also in court today, wrote a petition to police that he was impersonating the person of Eze Aro, which is not true. He has been crowned. He has gone around the 19 villages of Arochukwu. He has performed the necessary rituals that authenticates his being crowned and is sitting on the stool. Why the allegations against him is that the stool is vacant. When on record of Arochukwu Kingdom, the stool is not vacant. So he has not impersonated anybody.
There is a stand, the state has a stand on this matter presently. Can you give us a tip?
The state has no hand in selecting who becomes Eze Aro.
Okay, but the Okenna Kindred do hold the position that they had a selection and Prince Arochukwu Abia emerged the winner, and your client was privy to that selection and did vow that he will support whoever emerges as the winner.
They are being misled and misinformed. The public cannot delve into something they cannot. In Arochukwu, there's a ruling family made up of a tripod. If you're not part of that family, you cannot be Eze Aro. And once you are born into that family, the order of ascendancy, who becomes the next Aro, is automatically known. It's just to complete the necessary conditions. Ebere, as they are parading now, can only be described as the Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs. Because the purported crowning took place in somebody's bedroom. The crowning or certificate of recognition and staff office was given in somebody's office for a throne of Eze Aro that predates the coming of the independence. That even before Elizabeth touches her foot on the soil of Nigeria, Eze Aro was already on throne. late Eze Aro Mazi Kanu. This throne dates far back as 18th century. Precisely 1879, if I'm not mistaken. That's how far back this throne can come into existence. If you're not an okay, or you are not from the line of okay, you cannot be an Eze Aro. And then finally, nobody whose father is alive has ascended that throne. And Prince Ebere Oji cannot be an exception to the rule. This rule was laid down by the forefathers of Oke. Nnachi is a family of come one, come all. Sorry to use this language. There are a lot of mix up of people, but there is particular people who are okay. Take particular note of that word, okay. If you're not an okay dynasty, you cannot be an Eze Aro. Then you mustn't be the most senior, you mustn't be the most junior, but it is an order of seniority. Ebere is not anywhere near that throne.
Okay. Is there any laid down process of rotation among the tripod? Like say one goes, second goes and third goes and it returns to one.
It's a little nature. God has provided that. Mazi Kanu, blessed memory, passed on. Mazi Vincent Koro, has passed on. Automatically, the Idei Nachi should be that done. It's just nature. So if this is not done, I cannot predict what will happen in the future. But if it is done, automatically nature would have put forward the order of selecting who will be the next Eze Aro. By venture, the current Eze Aro, who is in the person of His Royal Majesty Godwin passes on, which is too young for him to pass on now by age. The next person or the family will be Kanu or the family. So it goes round and round and round. And that will have solved the issue of the problem of. But of note is that Eze Aro is not done by election. The family selects who becomes the Eze Aro, not any outsider. Any other person outside that part of the family is a busybody and medicine interloper. Thank you.
Also, summarily, it means your client has boycotted the proceedings of the lower court to the high. Is it correct to say that?
He didn't boycott the proceedings. He was there in person live. You saw him during the proceeding. He didn't boycott. There's a challenge to the charge. He's challenging his prosecution. He has gone to the high court. He has gone to the higher court.
That's what I want.
He didn't boycott. He cannot boycott. That would be disrespecting the court.
That's it.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. God bless you.